Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we make delicious meals that's not going to break the bank. Today we're going to make a savory tater tot casserole. We're going to start with chopping half an onion. Now we set the onion aside. We're going to take a 9x13 pan, spray it down with some cooking oil. We're going to take 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to mash it down on the bottom of the pan. You want to evenly distribute the beef on the bottom of the pan. We're going to take our diced onion and sprinkle it all over the beef. We're going to take 4 cups of frozen vegetables and spread it out over the ground beef and onion. Now we're going to take a 19-ounce can of cream of chicken soup and spread it all over the vegetables. And then you're going to take 32 ounces of tater tots and spread it over the soup. And we're going to cook in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour or until the beef is done. But at 30 minutes, we'll check to make sure the tater tots aren't getting too dark. If they are, we'll turn down to 350. Now that it's done, it's time to eat. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's alright. Needs seasoning. Reminds me of my mother-in-law's cooking. It cost us $15 to make and it feeds 7 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.